Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a viral talking avatar like this guy.
Yes, like me. Or this dude.
Yes, sir. Let's go!
To show you some proof, this channel has grown to over 167,000 subscribers in over a year, and this one skyrocketed from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in less than a year. That is why today I will help you on creating your own talking avatar with AI free. So let's get started. The first step is we need a character for our video. For this tutorial, we are going to generate an avatar with Leonardo AI. All we need to do is go to Leonardo AI, sign up, and you will see the dashboard. Here, just click image creation. Then go to the upper left and we will change the preset to Leonardo's Phoenix. Now below this, you will see the image dimension section. Here, just select 16 by 9 and medium 1376 by 768. Next, we're going to type the prompt. For this video, I've pasted an example prompt in the description that you can use it directly. But basically, I'm telling it what the avatar should be wearing, what the room looks like, and everything that the AI needs to give me. Then, we should make sure to ask it for 4 options so we have some variability in what we choose. Now, just click generate. And just like that, Leonardo AI has created 4 images for our text. I think that these options are great, but if we want to make more variations, we can click on regenerate to create 4 more images, or we can edit the prompt if you feel like it's missing something. Now, we can do this as many times as we want. For example, I can ask it to change to a blue jacket. This might end up taking a few tries for us to get the perfect avatar. Note, if you want an avatar like this one, I pasted also the prompt in the description, but for this example, let's move forward with this too. Just click download, and next, we will upscale it with CapCut. To do this, go to capcut.com. Next, register an account. Then, you will see this dashboard. Just click on Magic Tools. After that, look for the image upscaler. Next, upload the avatar and choose the 4K setting. And now, we have a crystal clear image. Step 2. We will make our created avatar talk and have its own voice. To do this, we will use Vidnoz AI. Vidnoz AI is a free AI-powered video creation platform that streamlines video production with a suite of AI-driven tools, offering over 1,000 lifelike avatars, 1,000 plus pre-designed video templates, and an extensive selection of 830 plus realistic AI voices across multiple languages and styles. In this site, we will just register. Then we will see this dashboard. Here you can just go to AI tools and select AI talking photo, and we are done. But for this tutorial, I want to use ELEVENLABS voices, which are included in the newly released Vidnoz AI 3.0. To do that, hit Create Video, then click Start a Blank. Next, hit the avatar in the upper section. Here you will see a plethora of realistic avatars. You can use them as you like, but for this video, we are going to import our own generated avatar. To do this, click Upload My Photo, then click or drag the photo to use. After that, name it and choose the gender of the avatar, and hit Next. Now we will input what the avatar will say, or we can upload a voice file. But for this tutorial, we will input a script. Then, we will choose a voice. Here, you will see a collection of voices, but as I said, we will use ELEVENLABS. To know if the voice is from ELEVENLABS, just scroll and look for the word ELEVENLABS just like this. Next, try some voices and select the one that you prefer. I will use this one. Now, we will just hit generate and wait for the final output. And here is the talking avatar.
Hi, this is the sample avatar. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please like the video.
And if there is something you want this channel to do for its future videos, comment down below.
Now we move to step 3, which is video creation. For this part, I will use this avatar. If you want this avatar, the prompt is also in the description, and just repeat step 1. Let's go back to the tutorial. Now, we will create the video. To do this, first, we would need a video idea. In order to generate a video idea, we will go to Google Gemini and ask it for a viral video idea for your niche. I will give you the prompt. Just pause this video and copy it. Basically, the prompt says, I have started a YouTube channel where I upload your niche. Then ask Gemini this. Can you give 25 viral video ideas so that I can generate videos on them? Now, paste the prompt related to your niche, then hit generate. Here, we would see that Google Gemini has given us 25 video ideas. Just select one and we move on to scripting. For scripting, we will head back to Vidnoz AI. In the dashboard, hit the AI tools, then scroll down and look for the AI script generator. Once you find it, just click it and you will see this. Now, we will just paste the selected video idea and hit generate. Now you can see a script. But if you are not satisfied with the result, we could modify it. You will see below the script with the word modify. Here, we could shorten or expand the script. But if you do not want the wording of the script, hit rephrase. Note, if you want to change the approach of the script, press this one and you can choose from formal, friendly, casual, professional, diplomatic, confident, and academic. For this tutorial, I would select confident. After you have your script, we will now generate the video for it. Open a new tab and go to Vidnoz AI. In the dashboard, click Create Video. Next, click the Start a Blank. Now, we will just select a template. Then, we will upload our avatar. Note, toggle the Remove Background and hit Next. Now we will just resize and reposition the avatar. Next, same as earlier, earlier, we will just input the script for these. Just do one sentence for each of the scenes. Then choose a voice you prefer. Now create a new scene. Remember to play your avatar a handful of times during a video, because if you just played your avatar full time, viewers would get bored. That's why in the next scene we will just use a stock image. Luckily, Vidnoz AI has a lot of them. Just click the video on the upper part. Now just search for the terms of the second scene. Let's go back to the script and check for what the second sentence is telling. Here, we are going to search for it. For example, paste the word and search. I would go for this video. Then, I will resize and reposition the stock footage. Paste the script and select the voice and move to the next scene. For the third scene, I will try a new feature from the recent update from Vidnoz AI, which is conversation. In the new scene we created, we will just hit the conversation tab and two avatars will show up. Then, click on one of the avatars to change it. First, click on the picture and choose your avatar. Next, change the voice to the same one that you selected earlier. Then, position the avatar where you want it to be. Now, for the second avatar, we will try a new style which is sitting. To do this, click the avatar and change it. Then, on the realistic section, search for sitting. I will choose this one. Before I will resize the avatar, I will first select a background with a chair. Then, adjust it for us to put the second avatar to sit on. Now we will just play around with the background and the second avatar. When it looks good, you're done. Now for the rest of the scenes, just do all the things your script is saying. And remember, one sentence per scene only. Now, after doing all the scenes, hit generate. And we are done for the video creation. Wait, I forgot something. The background music. To find a great track that you could use on YouTube with no problems or legal issues, head over to a royalty-free music provider called Epidemic Sound. You can try it out for 1 week for free with the link below. In Epidemic Sound, choose a piece of music with the vibe of your video. For this tutorial, I will use cinematic music. Just search for the term and listen through some options. I would use this one for the video, so let's add it by using CapCut. To do that, open CapCut, import the music and the video, then put them in the timeline. Next, adjust the music at the same time as the video, and lastly, export the video. Now, we are really done. Here is the video.
Educators and content creators, welcome to the era where AI technology is reshaping the landscape of educational video content creation. Today, we delve into the profound impact of AI in elevating the quality and effectiveness of educational content production.
1. AI-powered research. Harnessing the power of AI tools enables educators to delve into vast pools of information swiftly and accurately. Through cutting-edge natural language processing, NLP algorithms, essential insights and data are extracted from diverse sources, enhancing the depth and accuracy of educational content.
2. Visual enhancement with AI. AI technology revolutionizes the visual appeal of educational videos with its automated editing tools and graphics capabilities.
Building a YouTube channel is awesome, but wouldn't it be even cooler to earn money doing it? The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, unlocks that treasure chest of monetization possibilities. But before you grab your shovel, there are some requirements to meet. Don't worry, they're not buried deep. That's why I will break down the YPP entry points in a clear and concise way. There are actually 2 ways to unlock YPP depending on the type of content you create. Let's explore the standard ads route first. If you dream of seeing ads before your videos, you'll need to hit these milestones. First, you should have 1,000 subscribers. Next, keep viewers engaged for a total of 4,000 hours in the last year. And lastly, follow YouTube's community guidelines and have no active strikes. If short-form content is your jam, YPP offers a shorts bonus option. To qualify, you must have 1,000 subscribers, so it's important to build a loyal following. Next is the 10 million short views. We must rack up those views in the last 90 days. And lastly, follow YouTube's community guidelines and have no active strikes. But if you cannot wait for these requirements and you are looking for more ways to earn on YouTube besides ads, affiliate marketing is your secret weapon. In affiliate marketing, you can earn from day one with no subscriber minimum. It's like this. You recommend cool stuff in your videos. Viewers click your special link and buy it and you get paid. But pick wisely, my friend. You should match your niche to promote things your viewers actually want. Then, you should offer top quality stuff. Only recommend things you'd use yourself. And lastly, pick an offer with good commission rates so you can get rewarded for those clicks. Alright, how do you actually use these links? First, you should talk it up. Mention the product naturally in your video and explain why it's cool. Next, you should be clear. Tell viewers you're using affiliate links, but focus on the product's value. And lastly, link love. Put your links in the description and comments, or use YouTube cards in your video. And there you have it, how to earn from these kinds of videos. Now we are done with this video on how I create a viral animated avatar for videos free. Hope this can be a game changer for your YouTube journey. And if you want to continue learning, check out our next video where we delve deeper into how I create viral fitness videos. See you there.